Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm doing another fall look with you. It's more a glamorous look in my opinion, and we're using the L'Oreal Rose Gold Liquid Eyeliner. We're testing that out for the first time, and if you're interested to see how I achieved this makeup look, please continue to watch. We're going to start by priming our lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer. Picking up shade number 8 in the palette, we're using that as our crease color, and we're really going to buff that into the crease area. I'm going to build this up, and these shades build up so nicely, blend out so great, and they smell awesome. But we're really going to be buffing that in with windshield wiper motions. And now we're going to take our concealer. I'm putting it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use a small concealer brush to apply that to my lid. Now, at first you may think this is going to turn out like a cut crease, but it is not. I'm just using this to make the lid shade I'm using pop, appear more brighter, have something to stick to. And that is shade number 5 in the palette. It's like a champagne-y, golden kind of shade, but more on the champagne side. But it does have a little bit of gold to it. So we're going to be patting that on the lid and sweeping too. I'm doing a combination of both. And if you wanted this look to be a cut crease, absolutely go for it. That's personal preference. I'm also going to blend that into the inner corner up into some of the crease area as well. And now we're taking shade number 11. And this shade is like a brown reddish plum shade, and it's matte, and we're going to start patting that into your outer corner, build that shade up, and then I'm going to start slowly blending it with the lid shade and the crease color as well. We're going to be taking our first initial crease brush. It's fluffy, and I'm blending over all the edges. Now I'm going to add a little bit of crease color shade to that just to help it further blend, and we're going to go back in and still be adding just a tad bit of the outer corner color. We're using the lid shade to blend with the outer corner shade now, and we're just finishing up the eyeshadow part of it. And you just want to take your fluffy brush and blend, blend, and blend. Now next we're taking shade number 1 in the palette, and we're using that as a highlight. I love this shade as a highlight. I often pick it out of the palette, even when I use other palettes, so I really enjoy this highlight. So we're just going to use that to blend on the edges. We're going to warm that back up again and use some of that crease color off of the brush. We're using the Jordana 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continuous Almond to line the waterline to make our eyes appear bigger, and we're going to seem more awake. And yes, so we're going to tight line with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner as well, the upper lash line. We're going to wipe away our fallout and our loose powder there. And then we're using the L'Oreal Linear Intense eyeliner, and I like this eyeliner. We're just going to use a very thin line of that. Basically, it's just going to be something or a step to make the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Liquid Rose Gold Eyeliner appear a bit darker, because it took a lot of work to build this eyeliner up. I'm not gonna lie, I really liked it. I think that it would show up really nice with like a smoky eye or something like that. I just definitely wanted to try it out. I don't hate it. I just feel like it took a lot of building to get up to the color that we're at in the video. And in this look, I mean, it looks good, but I feel like it'd look better on darker eyeshadow. Using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This mascara is bomb. It makes your eyelashes look amazing. And now here is our finished look. I love it. So pretty, so easy to achieve. And our lip shade here, I chose to do a nude pink lip. It is the LaColors Pout lipstick, lip gloss matte in Let's Kiss. Very nice lip shade. You can choose any shade you want to go with your look. I just personally like this one. And that is our makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful like always. Stay tuned for more tutorials.